The Mount UNZEN volcanic eruption occurred in 1792 in Kyushu, Japan. The most disastrous part of the calamity wasn't even the eruption. Many eruptions are extremely dangerous due to the aftermath. This volcanic eruption led to a landslide and tsunami, upon others. It was a major historical event and is now known as the most deadly volcanic eruption in Japan's history. Mount UNZEN consists of multiple composite volcanoes east of Nagasaki. They are extremely dangerous due to the viscosity of their magma and can result in pyroclastic flows, landslides, and large lava flows. Mount UNZEN sits between the Philippine and Eurasian plates. There are multiple boundaries surrounding the area, but the most pronounced are convergent and divergent. The large convergent plate boundary explains the multitude of volcanoes in the area. In 1791, many earthquakes, reaching a magnitude of 6.4, occurred around Mount UNZEN, which resulted in one of the peaks, Fugen Dake, erupting and resulting in a lava flow that lasted a long period of time, causing destruction in its path. Soon, more earthquakes emerged, and later in the year, 1792 another dome, Mayuyama, that was growing at the first eruption site, collapsed, triggering a landslide and furthermore a tsunami. The tsunami was considered a mega tsunami, as the first wave reached a height of 330 feet. As we know, this eruption is known as the most deadly volcanic eruption in Japan's history, and it killed over 15,000 people. The earthquakes and the events that followed caused a great amount of destruction. It also caused anxiety in the area as more eruptions emerged in the 90s, but another disaster never occurred. Since the event, Japanese officials have worked hard to establish better warning systems and evacuation plans. The geosphere and hydrosphere were involved, and both the geosphere and biosphere were affected. The effects were regional, and the coastline of the Ariake Sea, Kumamoto, Mount UNZEN, and the Amakusa Islands were affected. This was most likely due to the tsunami. In order to prevent more catastrophes such as this, especially in areas around hot spots and active volcanoes, more safety guidelines need to be established and heavily enforced.